In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your laptop like new again. If you're wanting to reset your laptop or PC to exactly how it was when you bought it, then this guide will help you out. So the first thing we need to do is head down to the search bar and search for settings. With this now open, make sure on the left that you click System and then scroll all the way down towards the bottom and click Recovery. Once here, look for the heading Recovery Options and Reset this PC. Then click the Reset PC button. You'll be then greeted with a box with two different options. The first option keeps your personal files like documents or photos, and the second option will remove everything from the PC, including anything that you've downloaded or stored on your hard drive. For the sake of this, I'm going to click Keep My Files. Next, you will be greeted with another options window where you can either download a cloud version of Windows or a local reinstall. The local reinstall will obviously use the Windows that is available already on your laptop, and the cloud download will get a fresh restore using the internet. I'd recommend local reinstall unless you know for a fact that there is a corruption within your Windows installation itself. If you click local restore, there is a change settings button, which gives you two different options. So you can either restore pre-installed apps, or you can download Windows again. If you hit next again, you'll be greeted with the screen where Windows will tell you exactly what will happen if you click this reset button down here. So resetting will change settings back to their defaults, keep your personal files, reinstall Windows from this device, and remove all apps and programs that didn't come with this PC. And that's all there is to it. Just click that reset button and you'll be all good to go. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.